Hi there, it's Christina K, your favorite new construction real estate broker, serving both North and South Carolina in separate capacities with Johnson Group Partners. And here we are in the River District today. We are going to be touring the Brightman Floorplan by David Weekley Homes. Let's see what this home is all about. There you see a study right off of the front main area. To your right, you're going to find a half bathroom. And then to your left, you will find the kitchen area. This is the open concept design. The kitchen features an oversized island, a walk-in pantry, and plenty of cabinetry, all flowing into the dining and family room. With 10-foot ceilings, this space feels open and inviting. There is a back door that extends a living area outdoors, perfect for entertaining. There's also a two-car garage with this floor plan. Let's head upstairs. Upstairs, you'll find a open loft area, perfect for a media room, office, or play area, and the two secondary bedrooms that are generous with closet space. You'll also find a full bathroom that those two secondary bedrooms share with a tub option. At the end of the hallway, before you get there, you will find the laundry facilities, an extra storage closet, and then the owner's retreat. It offers a private escape with a spacious bathroom and walk-in closet. This bathroom has double vanity and a luxurious stand-up shower. The Brightman includes energy-efficient features, customizable finishes through the design center, and smart layouts designed to fit your lifestyle. Plus, you'll enjoy all the perks of the River District community, close to trails, green space, and upcoming amenities like the pool, pickleball, dog park, and playground. Whether you're looking to build a new home or purchase an inventory home, I can assist you with negotiating the best price for you with incentives. Be sure to click the link in my bio or the links in the description to schedule a consultation or to take a private tour of this floor plan or anything else that David Weekley is offering at the River District. Talk soon.